Hi, and welcome to BUS215 Microeconomics. My name is Professor Lipschutz, and I'll be your instructor for this course. This little video is a walkthrough of the course that you'll be going through for the next term. When you come into the course, what you'll generally see is this announcements page. I'll be posting announcements a couple times a week, referencing micro lectures I'm putting out for the week, any questions and answers might be able to answer for students, linking in news articles and current events. So for this week, you'll see that there's an introductory announcement here for you. Okay, as well as the a guide to the Central Penn LibGuide on McGraw-Hill Connect and how to access your Connect code and pair your Connect course to this Blackboard course. On the left side here, you'll see the various links you have access to. My professor information, you'll see me here, larger image, my work phone number, my text and cell phone number you can text me at, my office hours, office location, and teaching philosophy. Under syllabus, you'll see the syllabus for this course. There's also an online strategies document, as well as a link to the syllabus notes for the discussion board. From here, you can see the coursework. For the coursework this week, I actually have two folders available to you. The first is the supplemental videos and assignments. These are all interactive assignments to help prepare you for the course. If you're struggling on anything throughout the course, or you feel like you want to hone up on any of these skills before the course really gets underway, feel free to go through any of these links. Click on them once you have paired your book or your course with Connect, and it should take you right to those questions. And then for the actual week. This is the week 1. Under Materials and Resources, you'll see what things are available here, as well as assignments and projects. I'll usually have a video or more going over the objectives and overview of the course, just as an introduction for the course. I've also provided a transcript because they are a little bit longer. When you go into Materials and Resources, you'll generally see, again, here is just a link to the supplemental videos and assignments. You'll see slides with my notes included, a review of me going over the slides, any linked reviews through Connect, and any other additional materials and resources I want you to peruse for the week. Finally, under Assignments and Projects, you'll see that there's an introduction discussion board here. There's a pre-test. I have a Connect orientation. It's just practice for you. There's 4 smaller Learn Smart modules, which is the adaptive reading assessment. And then there's a discussion board threads for this week, as well as a quiz. And then the syllabus acknowledgement again. With the quiz, it's about 9 questions, multiple choice. You have, I believe it's 3 attempts. However, each attempt you'll lose 10%, but you'll be able to start over and keep working through it. With the discussion boards, you'll see that I actually have multiple threads in the discussion board. I want you to pick a couple and respond to them. I have given you a rather outlined rubric of how I'm going to be grading those discussion board threads. As you go into each thread, you can actually click on whichever one it is. This one, definition of economics. And here it says, after reading Chapter 1 and watching the Free to Choose videos, please review and respond accordingly. And here's an actual quote from John Maynard Keynes, a key economist of the last century, actually. So he wrote in his General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money, right, that the theory of economics does not furnish a body of settled conclusions immediately applicable to policy. It is a method rather than a doctrine, an apparatus of the mind, a technique of thinking which helps its processor to draw correct conclusions. So what does this statement actually mean? Right? What's it mean to you? What's it mean to the field of economics? And give me your own definition of economics from what you've learned so far this week. And you can do this for all the various threads here. And generally each week I'll provide between 3 and 5 threads for you to review. Alright, so if you have any questions, please feel free to either email, text, call, post a discussion board. or even post to the VoiceThread video. So when you come to the video here, you can actually hover over the video here. You'll see a little comment button, and you can either phone in a comment, record a voice comment, or record a video comment. And hopefully in the future I'll be adding more options to like put in a text comment or anything like that. Most of my micro lectures will be in this method as well, so feel free to comment on those micro lectures in the same way. Alright, hope you have a great week.